Welcome to the Park Plaza Budapest, where we will experience the magic of a floating bed. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to WinnisTravels. Thanks. We stayed in a one-bedroom suite with Danube view, and there is a sofa bed here. If converted, it sleeps easily 2 children, or it could sleep 2 adults as well. And here we have the floating bed. Do not understand how that works whatsoever. The view in this room is absolutely breathtaking, and we couldn't get enough of it. Let's have a look at the bathroom, which, as you can see, has 2 full sinks. There is a full-size shower with a rainfall function. It worked very well. The toiletries come as standard in this hotel. Let's have another look at this awesome view. You can see to the right the chain bridge, and here is the Hungarian Parliament. We will now have a detailed view at the breakfast facilities, and I will show you the whole breakfast buffet. I'm sure you're asking yourself about the verdict of this hotel, and yes, we would definitely stay at the Park Plaza Budapest again. The room got cleaned every day. The staff is extremely friendly and welcoming. This hotel is definitely a tip, even if you travel with children. They came in the first day and made up the bed for our son. It was all perfect. So thanks for watching. Please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Take care and enjoy traveling.